to make origami lucky stars. These cute little stars are popular around Asia, especially in Japan and China, and are easy to make. They are often given as gifts to symbolize good luck and love. This is how to make some of your own. Step 1. Gather your materials. You're going to need standard printer paper, a ruler, a pencil, and scissors. Some places sell pre-cut strips, but we're going to make our own. Step 2. Measure out your paper. Adjust your paper so it's vertical. Next, take your ruler and measure out 1/2 inch. Mark it on both sides of your paper. Step 3. Draw a line for your strip. Take your ruler and line it up along your 2 notches. Next, draw a line. Step 4. Cut out your strip. Cut the paper along the line you just made with scissors. Once you finish cutting, you should get a strip of paper with 1/2 inch in width. Step 5. Make a knot in your paper strip. To start folding your paper, you need to make a small knot at the end of your strip. Fold one of the edges up, down, and through the hole you just made. If you have excess paper, just fold it in along the edge. Step 6. Start folding your star. Now, you should have something that looks like a pentagon with a long strip sticking out. Take the strip and fold it to the other side of the pentagon. Make sure to not fold too tight or too loose. Step 7. Continue folding and tuck in the end. Repeat this folding action, alternating between horizontal and diagonal folds until you reach the end of your strip that is not long enough to fold anymore. Next, tuck this excess paper in one of the fold pockets. Step 8. Pinch the sides to form your star. Now's the harder part. Take your fingertips or nails and carefully press into the middle of each side of the pentagon to form your star. It should look puffed up at the end rather than flat. And there you have it, origami lucky stars. Not only do these make great gifts, but they're also fun to make for yourself and for display. Happy crafting!